Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how to change name in Facebook in 2020, alright? So to do this, open up your Facebook application. Now go up to the top right corner and click on these three lines. Go all the way down to this one, Settings and Privacy. Click on that. Now click on Settings. Under Account Settings, click on Personal Information. And under General, you see this one, Name. Click on that. Alright, so here you can change your first name, middle name, last name. Please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. Alright? So change your name. After that, just click on this one, Review Change. Now you can choose one of these. Choose how your name will appear on your profile. So you can choose between one of these three options. So you got the first one with first name, middle name, last name. You got the second one with first name, last name. And you got the third one with last name, middle name, and first name. Alright, so now just enter your password and after that click on Save Changes. Okay everyone, so this is how you can change your name in Facebook in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below, and also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day, take care and bye.